Hi, welcome back. We've already mentioned the DHF 520x56 at this channel. Here's the link. Today we're talking about the flagman of Dedal daytime scopes, the intellectual daytime scope called DHF 428x56 Harrier. Reminding you the information from the previous video, the F means the first focal plane, the 4 to 28 means magnification of the lenses of the scope, 56 means the diameter in millimeters of the lens, and the intellectual scope named Harrier means that it has intellectual controls, which we will describe later on through this video. A high zoom ratio makes Harrier a multi-purpose scope, matching most of the tasks for the sniper. The central part of the ballistic grip is as thin as is possible in order to make it convenient to shoot the small targets at large distances. Why is it intellectual? The Harrier has a built-in calculator of the ballistic corrections. You can see from the controls on the left side. Also, it has a space for the target finder, which being pressed automatically enters remotely all the information to be realized by the scope called Harrier, analyzed, and make the ballistic correction for the sniper almost automatically. So what's shown by the scope is being shown on the screen, and the sniper knows what angle should be changed due to the distance which has been measured by the rangefinder. Same as the DHF 520x56, the materials that I customized in this scope afford us to use it at -40 to +50 degrees Celsius in harsh conditions, with the climate being changing all the time, and it is shockproof version as the DHF 520x56, but you can see some differences in the controls of those scopes. They have become a little bigger, and the scale with the numbers is also bigger in order to make it more convenient for the sniper to use them. The mechanism of the zero stop is the same, with the tickling mechanism, which is convenient and can be heard even in the darkness, especially if we're using the thermal clip-on sights. Harrier is one of the best scopes in its segment. The DHF 428x56 is able to communicate with the weather stations and external rangefinder through the wireless communication. The data is gathered in real-time mode. If we're talking about the charging or the power source, the Harrier uses a typical AA type battery, which can ensure its operation on 50 till 500 hours in a row, depending on the light of the ballistic grip. But in case the battery is dead and the light is not operating anymore, the scope still has a ballistic grip inserted in the scope, so you can still use it, but it won't be intellectual anymore. To sum up, the DHF 428x56 Harrier is an intellectual daytime scope, being compact, lightweight, one of the best scopes in its segment on the market. It is intellectual due to the fact that it can wirelessly use the rangefinder together with the information from the weather stations, and has an inbuilt ballistic calculator together with all the data about all types of cartridges made for the sniper rifles, which afford its fast and precise use on modern types of the sniper rifles at the middle and long range distances. That was it about this scope. Thanks for your attention. Bye.